What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn and today in this video I'm gonna talk about the update. In fact, I'm gonna update you guys about my beard journey. Ever since I started to shave it off, I haven't updated most of you. So if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe to these videos, and also thank you very much guys for watching, subscribing, and not forgetting those who like these videos, I really appreciate that. So if you don't know, I've been on this journey of minoxidil for about a year and a half, So to cut this story short, I started to use minoxidil on 2019 on the 13th of November. That's been a while, So everything was great. I was using the Kirkland, but the liquid version of it, and for about 4 months everything was great. And then afterwards I started to see some side effects. That's when I started to change and use the fully gained foam version of minoxidil, and from there that's where I started to slack off and I started to use minoxidil once a day. Sometimes I would skip and all that, and even stop derma rolling as well. But I started to take some supplements, some biotin, sometimes I take some collagens and all that. So yeah, it was very exciting. Still is exciting, to be honest with you. So in 2020, on the 12th of December, that's where I started to use the foam version of Kirkland minoxidil, and then I decided to shave off my gains. That was my first time shaving off my gains, So it's been about 7 months straight using the foam version of minoxidil, and I've been applying it almost twice every day, and I don't remember skipping a day. So I never trimmed it down. The only thing that I only trimmed it was only my mustache. I trimmed it down twice. Other than that, I never trimmed down the beard. I only lined it, and that's it. So let me just show you guys the progress. I don't think I am a moderate gainer anymore. I think I'm one of the slowest gainer. The main reason is because of the density of the follicles on my beard area. I don't think I have enough follicles on my beard area, to be honest with you. But let me just show you. Let me just get closer so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Yep, this is the face, As you can see, my mustache is a bit low, and the under lip there, it's not looking good. Let me just change to this other side here. Yeah, I hope you can see, I hope you can see. It's not that bad though. It's not that bad. Change to the other side. All right. So as you can see, this is the other side, which is also not that bad. And then let me show you under the chin. Yeah. So as you can see, the beard is not thick. I don't think I'll ever have a thick beard, but to be honest with you, it's way much better than before I used minoxidil, because it was patient bad, Yeah, this is my progress. I hope this will help you or convince you to use the minoxidil if you want to grow a beard. Remember, this is a patience game, If you're not patient, you might give up along the way. So thank you very much guys for watching. Until next time, cheers.